welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would give you guys an updated room tour because, as most of you all know, I went from sharing a bedroom to having my own room downstairs, then I moved upstairs and had my own room, and finally now I'm settled and everything's done in my room. I have nothing left to do. Because of this, I can finally show you what I've done and how I've decorated it, and I hope you have a great time watching this video. So you should definitely give this video a thumbs up because I've completely finished my room, and let's just get to it. So when you walk into my room, the first thing I have is my ballet bar because as a dancer, you need to stretch. And then I've got just a photo of me and my sister. That's the wall. Then up here, I've got all my soccer trophies and my dance awards that I've gotten. And down here, I've just got my rack and roll with all my costumes, and it's only going to be here for now, only because I got a competition soon. Now here, I've got my bed, which I love now because it's a lot bigger than it was before, as you can see. And I've got a blank wall, which I'm going to be placing some twinkle lights, I believe they're called, and it'll be really pretty. So here I've just got my dresser, and on top of it I've got all my perfumes, my glasses, a little can I guess, it's got a flower, some bracelets, candles, and a mirror I don't know where I'm going to put. I've got purses and bags, and behind my door I've just got my school bag. Now I've got a garbage bin because, you know, it's a desk beside it, and that's my next thing, my desk. I basically do my work here and my makeup, so there's my makeup, and a lot of people have been asking for a makeup haul. I'll do that for you guys. Just comment down below and I'll see. I've got my computer because everyone needs one. I've got my baby mirror with my lights and my big mirror. Hey! Now here's my nightstand. I got my Google Home, my twinkle lights I said I was going to put up, my night light because I'm a baby, and then in here I just hold my books and my lip balms. And then here are my photos. And, oh, okay, never mind. Didn't show them. Anyway, here's the end result. There's the photos, as you can see. And I love my room very much. Okay, guys, that was my room tour video. If you want an in-depth video of, like, other stuff in my room per se, like a desk tour or something, I don't know, just comment down below. Let me know what you think. Yeah, a lot of people have been wanting the makeup tour of what I've got. I don't really know, just because I guess it's makeup and people like makeup, but comment down below and like if you really think I should do that. Guys, we almost have 2,000 subscribers, and that's pretty intense. I'm going to be posting a what is on my iPhone 6s Plus soon. I just got to do this, and I'm such a bad person on YouTube because I never post, and I feel so bad because I feel like I'm letting you guys down, and you're like, when is she going to post? I've subscribed, I love her, and I don't want this, and you know, so I'm definitely going to keep my track up, like this time for sure. Like if I don't, there's got to be a main reason, but I promise you I will. I will. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. Yes, this was a voiceover video, but that's okay. And comment down below and subscribe and put that ringer bell on so you can join the beauty squad. So if you want me to change my username, because most people have the RCL Beauty, I think I stole her name thing. Really didn't though, because I didn't know she was out then. But my sister even helped me choose that name. But if you think I should change it to just my name, then comment down below. So thanks guys, bye.